It's an exciting day if you just got your Healy. This is the official unboxing of the US Healy. Finally arrived today. Made in Germany, excellent quality. So your instructions. Here's a quick start guide. Here's your Healy itself. And then in here, you have your electrodes. Charging cable. You also have this in case you don't want to use this strap here. So next step is to charge this little guy for 2 hours or until the green light turns off. So there's two booklets that you're going to get, the quick start and the instructions. The instructions have a lot of good information. I'd say you could look at that one second. The one that you're really going to need is this quick start guide. So if you open it up, it's going to tell you all the basics on the device, what each of the buttons are, what everything represents. It's pretty basic, it's pretty easy to follow. You're going to download the Healy app. Here's quick QR codes for you to download those. It's going to talk to you about how to pair it, and it's going to walk you through the instructions on pairing. And then from there, it gets into the programs. The programs are pretty simple. There are a few apps that you're going to need to get. So if you don't scan that QR code, you can type in Healy app. So you're going to see this one. I already have it, so you're going to see it right there. The way that I recognize them is with the pink right there, the gray Healy with the pink. And then if you got the Healy Resonance, then you're also going to need the Healy Analyze app. So then that one looks like that. It's the same thing. It's got the gray, except it also has a little blue dot. That's how I tell the difference. So I've already got both of those downloaded. When your Healy is finally on its way, you're going to get an email from Healy World. It's going to say, "Welcome to Healy World." And it's going to have a bunch of videos in here that you should be following. It's got FAQs, it's got first steps, welcome introduction to Healy. It introduces you to the app, what systemic, acute, and local programs mean, the gold cycle. This next section is extremely important. This master key, you see it says save master key. You're going to want to pay attention to that section as well. But each of these are a different video that you can watch to help you learn a little bit more about it. But it's actually pretty simple, so enjoy your setup and enjoy your new life with Healy.